Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall.
You got yourself in a Dancehall skill, you don't know, so you're here in the place night and day now. You're out and back, stone thing.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, my name is Seriousskilla. I am here again. Big up and respect to each and every one, you see it? And welcome to another Sunday morning vibes, you see it? Now, the person you see in the video that I just presented to you, he said that his name is Zachary, alright? And Zachary sent me a video and he said that he's the person playing the drums in this video, you see me? Now on this Sunday morning vibes, I'm going to present to you the video that Zachary sent me, and I want you to listen to the music or the rhythm in this video. You see me? In this video, you're going to see a person playing the drums. You see me? According to Zachary, he said that he's the person playing the drums in this video, and I want you to tell me what you think about this person playing the drums in the video. You see me? I want you to tell me if you like it or if you don't like it. You see me? And you know, you're going to hear other persons, you know, playing instruments and so forth. You see me? And you know, I want you to tell me what you think about those persons playing the other instruments and so on. You see me? You can tell me if you like it or not and so on. You see? And by the way, this video is going to show inside of a church. Yeah, this video is going to show persons playing musical instruments inside of a church, and you're going to see persons dancing and other things as well. That's what I'm saying to you. Some persons might call what had happened in this video church service or worship or so on. You see me? And Dancehall channel is a place where your voice can be heard and your talents can be shown. So if you want to contact Dancehall, just read the description down below each video that I present to you, and you can choose one of the options to contact me, Dancehall. Alright? Alright, but anyways, viewers and subscribers, here's the video. Take a look, listen and observe. Viewers, subscribers, I am not going to say much. All I can say is that, this person in the video played the drum very good. You see me? Yeah, I myself play drums sometimes, but I'm not going to say that I'm a professional drummer. You see me? So I think I am good enough to determine when someone is playing the drums good. You understand? So Zachary, big up yourself. You see me I say? Yeah, big up yourself, Zachary. You see it? Yeah man, big up for that. You see me I say? Alright, so until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see?
Hey my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall Skilla! Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.